Today I have bring this video tutorial of things you can do after buying a new laptop or resetting the older ones. So right now you can see we don't have anything on our desktop screen, only OBS Studio that I am using for this recording. So firstly we should bring our this PC icon, our user file, our recycle bin, everything to this desktop screen. So we should go to start, then inside start we have settings. Inside settings we should go into personalization. Inside personalization, if you want to see the documentation of how to bring the desktop icon, here is a quick link of that, but we know how to do that, so we should directly go to themes. Inside themes we can see the desktop icon settings. Yeah, here we go, we got all the icons that we required: computer, user file, recycle bin. If you want you can also have control panel and network, but I usually not keep that on my desktop. So okay, and minimize this. Yeah, we got our required icon on the desktop. We can sort this by name, size, item type, date modified. I usually keep this by item type. Yes. After this, now we will see how to change the wallpaper and basic setting of a laptop. So we will go to start, inside start settings. We will go to personalization. Yeah, here we can change the wallpaper of a laptop. So I will go with the Microsoft logo. Looks pretty decent and nice. Inside, after this, we can change for changing the theme of our laptop. I will go with the dark mode. Looks good. We can change the color of our theme. Here it is blue, you can have any color like red, or you can also have automatically picked by Microsoft random color, but I will go with the blue color. Okay, after this, inside lock screen, you can put anything that you use frequently on lock screen. Like if you don't want to enter the password and use it quickly, or see like mail or something, you can put on lock screen. But I don't want to change that now. Inside themes, we can change mouse cursor speed and everything, like you can increase the speed or trail point trail, but I don't like that, so I am not gonna change that settings. But you can do whatever suits you more. You can change font of laptop, like this is pretty decent that Microsoft gives, but you can customize as you want. I'm not gonna change that now. And this all settings you can do changes one by one and customize the settings as you required. After changing all this basic setup of a laptop, now we will see how we can download Google Chrome and make Google Chrome as our default browser. So whenever we open any new software in it, it wants to use search engine, it directly opens Google Chrome instead of Microsoft Edge. we right now we have only one search engine, that is Microsoft Edge. We will open Microsoft Edge. Inside that we will write Google Chrome download. You After writing Google Chrome download from the official website of Google, we will download our Google Chrome. So we will click on download Chrome, and here you can see we got our Chrome setup file.exe. We can open the setup right here, or we can open it inside a folder. You can try to find out that in downloads. So we will click on Google Chrome setup. Here it is asking me the setup is being ready. The download speed may vary according to your internet connection. So here we go. We got our Chrome browser. We also have a desktop icon of a Chrome. So yes, we have downloaded Chrome successfully. So now we will see how we can make our Chrome a default browser. So we will go to settings, inside settings, yeah, inside apps. Here we have default apps. So you can change whatever you want to keep your default thing. So here right now it is Microsoft Edge. We will change it to Google Chrome. We will switch it to Google Chrome. You can change your video player also, like if you want VLC videos for video player. But yeah, we have successfully changed our default browser to Chrome. You can also customize your Chrome inside settings, like I already have it in dark mode, but if you want it in light mode, you can change it from here, but I prefer dark mode. So we have successfully download and change our default browser to Google Chrome. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will see you in our next video.